Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the AI image generator in FlexClip, a cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using pre-made video templates or create videos from scratch. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account, and I have a video project open here with one blank scene. We are in the Templates tab. So let me go to the Tools tab down below. And this is the AI image generator. I'll click on it. And in this section, you can generate AI images. In this text box, type in your AI prompt to describe the image. For example, I'll copy and paste this prompt saying design a piece of digital art showing an imagined colony on Mars. Next, you need to choose an image style. I'll go with creative. Next, you need to choose an aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9. And then I'll click on the Generate Now button. It will automatically generate a couple of images in just a few seconds, as you can see here. You can click the Regenerate button if you don't like the images. To add the image to your project, hover your mouse over the image, and then click on the plus button. It will then add the AI generated image to your current scene and download it to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. And here are a few examples of AI generated images that I generated in FlexClip. Bear in mind that this feature is still in beta. And there are many more AI features in FlexClip. You can check this tutorial to learn more. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.